The financial year of XYZ Co. ended on 31 December 20X2. An inventory count on January 10, 2023 gave a total inventory value of $131,825. The following transactions occurred between January 1 and January 10. Purchases of goods, $1,975. Sales of goods, gross profit margin 30% on sales, $3,750. Goods returned to a supplier, $200. What inventory value should be included in XYZ Co.'s financial statements at 31 December 2022? Answer: Inventory count, 10 January 2023, $131,825. Purchases since end of last year, less $1,975. Cost of sales since end of year, $3,750 times 70%, $2,625. Purchase returns since end of year, $200. Inventory at 31 December 20X2, $132,675.